it's Annie. Today I am going to do a review, sort of a review, mostly a look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palettes. I'm not going to do a bunch of arm swatches. That's not how I do my reviews. And I will try to use as many colors as I can, but this is really a look, so I shouldn't even call it a review. So that is what we're going to do today. Before we get started, please make sure you click that button below, hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week and I don't want you to miss out. And hopefully I'm zoomed in good. Hopefully the lighting is good. I know I don't have all my other makeup on, but I'm going to do that after. I usually don't do that. I usually do my makeup and then do my eyes, but today I'm not going to do that. I'm doing it totally different. I know. So you'll see everything put together at the end of this video. I'm sorry if I scared you. I heard about this palette, and don't let the purple freak you out. What I loved about this palette, like I said, is there's a lot of colors that I feel like I could use all the time. I could wear that one, that, those, that. I mean, all of them. The only colors that are a little brightish is the purple and the blue. Those are probably the only two I probably won't use very often, but the rest of them are colors I would wear. And that's what I've been doing with palettes lately. I was like jumping on the bandwagon and getting a lot of palettes. I was also purchasing dupes, and I never use those dupes. So I'm really only purchasing stuff that I really love, and purchasing ones that I know I'm gonna wear. Soft Glam, I picked this one up several months ago, back in the spring. I use this all the time. I use it all the time. I love this palette. I know some people are like, well, some of the colors were in other palettes. So I don't have all of these palettes, so for me it's not a big deal. I love this palette. Now, are any of these colors in other palettes? I have no idea, because I don't have all the palettes. I just get what I like. Looks like the whole bottom row is matte, so 7 mattes and 7 shimmer glitters. I stand corrected. There are metallic, matte eggshell, foiled metallics, and matte. So let me just read the list, and you can look at the screenshot together with me from their site. So Dreamer is a metallic pink champagne, Base is a matte eggshell, Summer is a foiled metallic golden topaz, Soul is a matte wisteria, Wild Child is duochrome frosty pink with magenta shift, Incense is a matte dusty terracotta, Rose Gold is a metallic rosewood, Love is a matte mid-tone cool pink, Celestial is a duochrome plum with a violet shift, Volatile is a matte warm charcoal, Dazzling is a cool tone duochrome bronze with a violet shift, Eccentric is a matte dark burnt orange, Drama is a duochrome aubergine with a cool bronze shift. I know I said that wrong, but you can read along with me. And Passion is a matte deep garnet. I'm going to go in with my Sephora Pro 19, which is crease brush. I am going to go in with this color here, Base. And I'm going to put that right up on here. And the one thing you have to remember about the shadows, you just place your brush in and you tap. You don't have to go in there and swirl around. You just don't have to do that with these colors. You're just wasting product if you're doing that. So this is a very light color. I'm going to be honest, I don't see much. I'm going to try it again. Tap. And I don't see a lot of color. It's very soft. Now I am going to go in with the color Incense right here. It's kind of a brown color, or it is a brown color. And I'm going to go right there again, right at my crease. I'm just going to keep building, and I'm going back and forth, holding my brush towards the back. And put a little bit on my corner there too. and back and forth. I'm going to go in there again, and it is very powdery. These shadows are always powdery. I mean, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you'll see it's going to kick up a lot. That's how these are. That's why you don't have to go in there and dig and dig and dig and dig your powder, your brush in there. You don't have to do that with these. Just going back and forth. That again is a very light color. I'm actually going to do a little bit more. So I'd say so far these are very, very light, neutral colors. So if you like really light colors, you're going to like this. I'm going to go on the other side too because I feel like I'm not seeing enough color. I actually thought I would see a little bit more color pay out from this. The second color here. The first one I didn't think I would. Now I'm going to go in with the color Eccentric, which is a orangey, earthy tone. Now that is really pretty. Now there's some color going in there. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm just going right on top of the colors I've already built up. And by the way, okay, I don't know if I said this or not. If I did, I'll edit it out. But I didn't watch anybody's videos. I haven't watched any reviews on this, so I did not know what to expect. I ordered this by mail. I ordered it, came right from ABH, which I've never done that before, and man, it was fast. I ordered it the day it was launched, and I just got it yesterday. And today is Friday. So I think it took me two days or so. I mean, it was like unbelievable. I've never had and like I said, normally I would have gone to the store and gotten this, but it's not going to be available. I don't think it's available in the stores for a while. And I was just excited to get it. I don't know, I just was. So now I'm going to go in with volatile, am I saying that right? This color right here, which is like a mauvey brown, I guess. A clay brown? No, clay is red though, isn't it? I don't know. I'm just going back and forth, going on the corner there, same thing. I'm going to do the same thing, dipping it in, tap, 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 and going back and forth. That's really pretty. I like that. So far, and I want to get my mirror so I can see my close-up mirror. So far, they seem to be blending. I don't see any patchiness, and because I'm tapping it off, I'm not seeing any fallout. I'm going to go in with my E45, and I am going to use the color Passion. So again, just dip in it like that. Tap, 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 tap. I'm going to go right here on the corner. Now this is how I would wear my colors. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm sure you could do really vibrant colors with those purples and stuff, but that's just not me. I'm not going to wear a color like that. I'm not going to walk around like that. They're beautiful, but they're not me. And now I'm going to take my It Cosmetics and I'm just going to blend that. I'm going to do a little bit more. Just a little bit right here. That's really where I put most of my color. When I do my eyeshadows, I have to have some sort of a deeper color up there for me because I have slightly hooded eyes. I know some of you don't agree, but I do. I have slightly hooded eyes. And so I like to, I feel like I'm contouring my eyes when I'm doing this. It's kind of like you're contouring your cheeks, but you're contouring your eyes. So doing the same thing, just putting it right on the end, bringing it up, not bring it all the way across. Grab a little bit more. I want to see this color close up. It looks like it's blending well. Now I'm going to go in and I think I'm going to go in with Summer. It happens to be my favorite season. And I'm not going to wet it. I want to see what it looks like if I just, and I am taking my Sigma E25 brush, which is actually a blending brush, but I just really like to use it for this. So this is powdery, it's not creamy. Wipe that off, and then I'm gonna apply it and see how that is. That is really nice. There is a little, it is kind of getting messy, though I can see it kind of flaking away and kind of, you know, getting a little bit of fallout, even though I shook that. I am gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime. It's so weird. When I look at my monitor, my eyes look more vibrant than they do in person. It's weird. I feel like it does, but in person, these are really soft colors. I don't know. So now I'm gonna take it, now that it's wet, and just dab it in there. And let's do it on this eye so you can kind of see the difference too. Do you see the difference in how it looks? See how that looks more vibrant and that doesn't? That's why I usually like to use this. I'm gonna go back over the other one. Now when I wet it, I'm not seeing that fallout. And I'm gonna bring this over closer to the corner of my eye, which I normally don't do, but I've been playing with that lately. I'm gonna go back over this one too. I'm just getting it on the mobile eye, like right on my eye socket part. Now I'm gonna go in and do under my eyes, even though I haven't done my concealer. Volatile, am I saying that right? I'm gonna go with that color right there. I may have to touch this up because I haven't put my concealer on yet. I'm gonna go right on my lash line here with that color. And as I play around with this, because this is the first time you're seeing me use it for the first time on camera, I didn't even take a finger swatch to this. I'm gonna play around with it more, and you may see me do some other eye looks with it on my channel. This is kind of like a first impressions video, which I don't always like to do, but I think with an eyeshadow, I think you can kind of get it. It's either you like it or you don't, you know? Okay. So let me go off camera. I'm gonna finish my makeup, and I will be right back, and I will give you my final thoughts. That is it. I really like this palette, and what's interesting about putting your makeup on after you do your eyes. I was doing just my eyes without my makeup on. I didn't think that the eye color was that, and not that it's intense, but you know, I thought it was a lot lighter, and now that I have all my makeup on, it's like, oh, there's, you know what I mean? Like, it's just weird. Do it. If you have not done that, do your eyeshadow, then your makeup, and you'll know what I'm talking about. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, my eyeshadow looks different. It just does, looks different. So maybe that's why I normally don't do that. But I really do love this palette. Would highly recommend it if you're looking for a new palette. I really like it. I love these colors, and I can't wait to play around with a lot of these other colors too. So I've never been disappointed with one of their palettes. There was a couple that were controversial, but those colors really didn't appeal to me. So that's why I never picked it up. But you'll see me using this again, and I'm gonna mess around and see if I can use some other colors that are everyday, because this is what I love to wear. I love the shimmer. I think that's what attracted me to this, is the shimmer shade. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share my videos, helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate you for tuning in and commenting. I love talking with you guys, and that is it. Thanks so much, and I will see you real soon.